is how we move it. Oh man, look at that. It's great. So well engineered. Don't forget your kickstand still there. Alright. How do you get on this thing?
There's enough room to pedal?
We're going straight, right?
Alright.
Tell me when you're going to turn. No steering geometry.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Oh, we're going to die. We're going to die. Oh my God.
So it fell over.
Ready? We went like 2 feet, right?
Yeah.
1. Oh my God. Oh my God. 1, 2, 3. Yes!
Hey.
Oh man, I just hit my shin. Hey, don't go faster than me. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Alright.
We need
engineering.
Need extra support.
I bet we can go through there. Don't you think? Oh my God. I'll try not to stop anymore. We're too close to go. Oh, go. Oh, go. Go. Oh, wait for me. We're good. Oh, yeah. I got stuck on something. Downstairs. We're going downstairs? Do it. Jam. Let's see if we can drive it back. Look how far we got.
Yeah, that's pretty fun.
That's like 1/100th of the race.
Without any support. And the no canoes. Yeah.
And no artwork.
Yeah.
Which way are we going? Up?
Are we going up?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, let's turn slowly.
I can't go up on one bike.
Ha!
Hey. Ready?
Go! I mean, go now.
Whoa!
Holy crap, you're fast. Go! Oh my God. Yes! Wait, I think I'm getting farther away from you.
Yeah, you are.
Oh, that's a good move. If I jam on
It's
my brakes,
sliding
you do
away.
like do like drift racing.
Oh man.
There's definitely a bigger space between them now.
Yeah.
Yeah, we hardly talk to each other anymore. I don't know if I want to go down there. Yeah, let's go down the hill. We'll go brake test.
Okay.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You should slide them together first.
Should we put some in the amphitheater? You want to just put it down in the amphitheater? Yeah. You're almost there. All right, we're not going down the hill. We're riding down the stairs. Oh my God. All right.
One.
No. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
All right, we've successfully stress tested it. Yeah.
Oh,
So,
something broke.
hose clamps. Do not use hose clamps.
man.
All right, I'm ready to do a rickshaw.
Alright.
Oh my God. Oh my gosh. All right, we tested it to failure. I
That was
think.
better than I thought it would be.
I know. I can't believe we made it this far. That is crazy. I thought I was turning up the hill.
You gotta have like when someone tries compensating, the other person tries compensating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Given it was our first time, I thought the hill climb was pretty good.
No, yeah, the Surrey was hard to go up.
Yeah.
Also, we didn't have the kayaks.
Oh my God. That would have been like having a third
We
person.
said the same about the Surrey until we did the location.
So kayaks add at least 120 pounds.
Yeah.
I think we should just lay the shark right across the middle of it.
Yeah. Just the head.
Just drag it along the street.
Actually, let's do that. Oh yeah, hold on. I'll go down the stairs. I'll go this.
There you go.
All we need to do is put royalty on a little chair between us. Yes, Your Highness. Let's do it. Let's put the shark on. You good?
Yep.
You set?
I'm good.
Well, that was a crazy test. Alright. Just for fun, here, get some light here. Looks like make it look like. Oh yeah, the bar's not connected though, is it?
No.
But, okay, so never mind. We'll just put it. Let's put it over. Let's go to rickshaw mode. Yep. I don't know what this thing is.
You could just ride around on that cart.
Yeah.